Welcome to the interactive Saluting Branches location map, powered by PlanIt Geo, the developers of the TreePlotter software suite. First and foremost, we want to sincerely thank you for volunteering your time for this great event. Now, let's get started with a quick tutorial on how to use the map. First, find the location where you plan to volunteer. You can also search for the location in the search bar here under the organizations layer. Once you've found the location of where you'll be volunteering, you can view the information about that location, such as the address and the details button. An aerial view of the location, as well as any predetermined work sites, can be viewed by clicking the Load Work Sites button. Additionally, if any trees have been mapped and inventoried for the location, you can view those by clicking the Load Trees button. You are encouraged to update attribute information about any trees that are currently mapped or add new trees or potential planting locations if needed. To edit tree attribute data, click on the tree and then click the Details button. From here, you can edit the information in the editable fields like so. To add a tree, click on the Add icon button in the top right corner of the browser window. You'll then notice an option to add by map or GPS. Click Add by Map and then select the location of the tree or planting location you wish to add. Let's say that the tree or planting location we want to add is right about here. You'll notice the tree detail form pops up, and here you can enter all relevant or known attribute data. One important thing to remember is that you will continue to be in add mode until you turn it off again by clicking on the Add icon button. You'll know for sure that it's off when it's no longer highlighted. Off, on, off, on. Well, that's the end of this tutorial, and thank you again for volunteering your time to Saluting Branches. We hope that it's a great event for you.